You all have heard the popular adage that we are really an IT company. By the way, we offer financial services. By the way, we run an airline. By the way, we do e-retailing. Well, as you know, IT has become an integral part of all business models. And now the crucial question is fundamental: where to invest your crucial IT dollars, IT resources for an IT-enabled company, and that includes, frankly, every company you can think of. So this goes to the heart of the matter. Am I investing the right amount of money at the right places on right projects, the right time frame? How do you figure all that out? There is a crucial, fundamental professional skill a professional needs to have, and the core thing, core activity an organization needs to complete. Because as you know, a wrong IT can actually kill a company. Along with the right product and right pricing and right marketing and right business model, you also need right information technology input. So this workshop model, MDP, focuses on just on that, how to answer that fundamental question, where to invest my IT resources. Now, having said all that, I need to go back from this MDP experience with an actionable set of ideas. That is what this MDP focuses on. After the end of this MDP, you'll be able to have certain actionable ideas you can immediately apply on the Monday morning to your organization and start making a difference. And as you know, right IT is needed for competitiveness and survival. So this MDP goes straight to the heart of the matter. Tell me, how do I figure that out? How do I answer that fundamental question? And it boils down to understanding the dynamics between technology and the business model. How the two worlds collide, cooperate, synergize, compete, and so on. The technology and the world of business. To have to align, they have to synergize, they have to work together. So to answer the larger question, where do I invest my IT resources, I have to understand the more fundamentally the dynamics of the two worlds, how they work together. So this course at the basic level tries to figure that out and communicates it to all the participants. This is going to be an experiential learning process. And the idea is to equip you with a set of ideas which you can apply on the Monday morning to your organization. So see you all there, and thanks.